Everyone. Today I will be presenting the paper about contextual second price auction, mitigating the winner scores in online ad auctions with noisy signals. And this is John Ware with my Google teammates, Martin Banchio, who already presented the paper, and also Chris Liaw. And our motivation comes from all the discussion we have been having in this session and also in the great talk that Bahab did about autobidding and LLMs. And the key core that drives all this is that we have very good machine learning models that can do very nice predictions. And in particular, predictions that, for example, in autobidding can set features that are dependent on the user level, characteristic of the users, and therefore bid appropriately. For example, we know whether the user likes shoes or not, whether likes particular brand of shoes or not, and all this might affect how you bid. And for this talk, think about conversion rates. We have machine learning model that helps to predict conversion rates. So therefore, we can tune bids depending on this estimation of what's the likeliness that the user will convert, depending on the features of the ad and the properties of the user. So there are two main challenges that happens when you start using these machine learning signals. One is that because these are predictions, they have errors, and the winner usually is the one with highest bid, probably the one with higher prediction of conversions. But therefore, it might be bidding because it has a very high noise, a high variance on its prediction. And therefore, there's a risk that if you bid high, it might be because you have a high prediction, but maybe not intrinsic value, and therefore you might be overestimating the true conversion rate. And the second is that, connected to the previous challenge, is that likely signals are going to be correlated. User features are common across different ads, one Nike ad, one Adidas ad, one Reebok ad. All then the probability of conversion will depend on how likely is the user is going to like shoes, sneaker shoes, right? And in particular, there is a problem that if one of the brands, one of these advertising has a very high conversion rates and the others are very low, then probably he's also overestimating the one with higher. And that's actually known in the literature as a winner scores problem. The winner might be risking that, well, after seeing the other bits, I was overshooting, and that's very bad, and I don't like. And in particular, if you run the canonical second price auction, then you don't want to be truthful because of this risk. And this has been a well-known study problem in the economic literature in the seminal paper of Megan Weber. And here we want to think about how we can use this challenge and to implement and improve ad auctions. So what we do in our paper is what we call the contextual second price auction, is that we're using contextual information. We want to mitigate this problem. So we're going to be receiving bids. We're going to use contextual information to massage and adjust those bids. And then on top of that, we're going to be running a second price auction with these massage bids. And what we show is that actually this contextual second price auction has very nice properties. First, now, if you run this contextual second price auction, you're going back to bid truthfully from the bidder's perspective. Second, it also because it removes this shading, it allocates better, actually allocates efficiently, while second price auction has misallocation in this winner scores world. And third, the revenue is better. We show using very interesting techniques that actually for two bidders, we can show that the revenue we get from our contextual second price auction is better than second price auction and also better than first price auction. And I think there's 1 minute for now having coffee break. So I'm going to wrap up, and I encourage everyone to visit our poster session and chat with me or Martino, who are both side here, to get more details about the paper. Thank you very much.